Hey guys, Brendan here from BW Knives. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this awesome little blade. This is just a simple little bushcraft knife. Really simple, really sharp, and really clean looking. So obviously you can change it to your personal style, but this is just how I'm going to be doing it. Everything is mostly a time lapse in this episode, so it's also very quick and it's mostly all visual reference. So I'll see you guys once again at the end. Alright guys, so now we've cleaned up the blade, got the bevels in. One little thing is that these bevels, the initial ones that I put in, for some reason after heat treat those bevels come back to about here or so. They come back quite a ways. One thing you do have to watch for when you're doing your bevels is right here. Oh, the tip there. You can see it's kind of just a little bit messed up. I can fix that. The side that the angle's a little steeper on, you might have to grind a little bit more. I can see that I should grind actually a little more on this side. But when you have the tip correct on these blades, it just makes the whole thing look uniform. Yeah, maybe someone isn't going to stare directly at the tip of your blade and see, oh, okay, is the tip perfect? The plunge lines, you probably saw I marked with a pencil. The plunge lines are also a little off. All that can be fixed after heat treat. I just want to get this thing into heat treat before it's too late. It's getting darker outside, so I may wait just a little bit. As you can see, I drilled all those weight reduction holes. For this, I just used a nice small bit, and I didn't feel like drilling out the rest of this, so I just used a bigger drill bit. You could use a step bit for that, and then these here are 3/16, and then I have, keep in mind, if you're kind of building your shop around your knife making, make it so then you have space. So yeah, these are 3/16 holes for my pins. I only drilled 2. This one I can still auger out a little. For augering out the holes, actually, I just put the blade in and then I just kind of wiggle it around a little bit, and then just gives it a looser fit so then it can go in and out really easy. Yeah, so as you can see, it's a little lighter outside right now. And I'm gonna wait till it's almost black. before I heat treat the blade. So I'll see you then. Hey guys, welcome to the end of the video. So I hope you enjoyed building this little knife and even just learning some little things that you may or may not have known. If you were curious to know, I used 50 grit belts on my belt sander. Those are just my favorite belts and they're the most efficient. I used oak for the handle, and as you saw in the video, I used special walnut stain. You could use a clear coat over this if you wanted to as well. I didn't. I also used 3/16 brass rod. You could use you could use anything really, as long as you have the drill bit for it. And I used a very basic high carbon steel, and a 3-degree bevel, in case you were curious. If you have any questions, be sure to comment. I will be sure to try and answer those questions for you. And if you want to send in pictures of your knives and possibly be able to get your knives viewed on a Viewers Knives episode on this channel, be sure to send in your pictures of your blades to bwknives@gmail.com, no capital on the BW, and I'll see you guys in our next knife build or other kind of knife making video. See you then.